Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And topic is Arabic script. Official versus people's language. In written writing scripts. Indeed, it is we who sent down the Quran, and indeed we will be its guardian. Reference Al Quran, chapter 15, verse 9. Indeed, we have sent it down in as an Arabic Quran that you might understand. Reference Al Quran, chapter 12, verse 2. The Quran is a reminder to all mankind. Reference Al Quran, chapter 68, verse 52. Keep these in verses in your mind. Arabic scripts vowels refers to fatah, kasra, dhamma. In Urdu, it says zabar their page, which are found in the Quran. Keep in mind, for young children, it is necessary to have vowels in Arabic, and Arabic, like all scripts, for example, Urdu, Persian, and others. But once they are grown up, they don't need vowels. But the Quran is totally different. It is perfected by Allah, including vowels as well, from the time of Prophet Muhammad and will be till the day of judgment. All official scripts, government official scripts of the Quran are having all the vowels since the time of Prophet Muhammad and will be till the day of judgment, and that is protected. However, at very early age of Islam, among Arabs only, individual Arabs or small unofficial manual printing centers were reprinting, writing with the hands, it without vowels. Nowadays, you will hardly find any single copies of Quran in any of the masjid around the globe without vowels. Every masjid has the Quran with the vowels in all around the world. And without the vowels is disappearing from the globe since those Quran which does not have vowels were not protected by Allah. This day I have perfected for you your religion and completed my favor unto you and have approved for you Islam as a religion. Reference Al Quran chapter 5 verse 3. When something is complete, perfected, it does not need any addition, alteration, including vowels. Pata, kasra, dhamma. In Urdu, it is zabar, their page. So these are all in official, government official Quran, copies of Quran since the time of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, until the day of judgment, it will be protected. And without vowels, is disappearing. You still find some copies on social media and YouTube showing that it's in some museum. That's okay, but it's disappearing. It's not in any masjid around the globe. Allah protected only the Quran which has vowels in it. Since Quran is for whole mankind, not for just Arabic, which are very few percentage. And the whole world is around 8 billion, less than 8 billion. And how many Arabic speaking peoples are? Maybe 1%, maybe less than that, or maybe more than that, maybe 2%. So whole humanity, Quran is reminder for all mankind, whole world. And vast majority of them don't understand Arabic language. So for them, it was necessary to have Quran in Arabic history, which has vowels in it. Fatah, Kasra, Dhamma, Zabar, Zir, Page in Urdu. It's called. And That is, we have to clear out whatever the falsehood, hearsays around the world is there. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.